But this is a seller's area, this is a buyer's area, and this is a seller's area. We are seeing rejection from sellers from this level, and the closing point is at the seller's area because of these strong sellers. Again the buyers tried, again they rejected because of sellers. So okay, till now I explained about strong levels. If you see any strong level, just a minute. Okay, if you see any strong level, you can expect a reversal from the strong level. If you see any strong levels like this, then you can expect a reversal at the strong level. And if you see any strong sellers entry point like this, if you see any strong sellers area like this, again you can expect a seller's entry from the same level. Or if you see any breakout candlestick like this, again you can expect a reversal after breakout too. But you need to see the buyer's entry and seller's entry to go with buyers and sellers confidently. If you don't see any buyer's entry and a seller's entry, then you can't place your trade. If you don't see any buyer's entry and seller's entry, okay, if you don't see any buyer's entry and seller's entry, you can't place your trade because we are not seeing any confirmations from buyers and sellers. If you see any buyers and sellers entry, then we can place our trade. So always place your trade if you see any breakout candlestick, or if you see any entry points at the entry points and the breakout candlesticks and at strong buyers and sellers areas, you can place your trade directly. You no need to see 5-second confirmation every time. Please explain me how to spot 5-second confirmation. Okay, you no need to see 5-second confirmation every time, but if you take a confirmation, it will be good. I am recommending you to place your trade with confirmation, with 5-second confirmation. You can place your trade without confirmation too. If you get any confirmation in the previous candles like this, if there is a rejection like this, then you can place your trade directly on the next candle at the entry points and the strong buyers and sellers areas and anywhere. You can see there is a strong seller's entry, again a strong seller's entry, bearish momentum, again a seller's entry, again a seller's entry, again a seller's entry. Finally it broke the level. So you can place your trade directly. This is a breakout candlestick, again you can place a lower option directly. But if you place your trade with confirmation, it will be good. I am recommending you to trade with confirmation. If you don't have any confirmation, then it's better to stop. Or if you want to place your trade, you can place your trade directly without any confirmation too. So always see the confirmation in 5 seconds. The 5-second chart will help you to find the buyer's entry and seller's entry in the market. So if you see any strong bullish momentum or any strong bearish momentum, then if you see any strong bullish momentum and bearish momentum, it means there are some strong buyers. You can go with buyers if market come to this level. If the market come to this level, if you get any rejections at this area, then it means the buyers are interested in the market, so you can go with buyers on the next candle. Yeah, 1 minute I will show you. So till now I explained about strong level and the entry points and the strong buyers area and sellers area and the strong level with following the trend with confirmation trading. I see in confirmation. I explained till now all these points. And I will show you here one thing. Okay, I explained about strong buyers and sellers areas and the entry points and the breakout candlestick and everything. So actually the market is respecting this raw number here.
Yes.
The market is respecting this raw number. You can see after breakout it reversed very strongly. It
Yes.
means some strong sellers are interested here. From the same level we are seeing a rejection. It means the rejection is showing us the sellers are interested at this area. And now the market is at the level, at the round number, and there is no new high in the market. The candle closed exactly at the rejection point, exactly at the round number. There is a gap actually here, but the market is respecting this round number. So there is a chance to go down to, and there is a chance to break out too. Because of this strong bullish momentum, there is a chance to break out, but this rejection is showing us the sellers are interested at this area. So if we get any confirmation, we can go with buyers. The confirmation is here. There is a confirmation from buyers. There is a confirmation from sellers at this round number. There is a huge rejection. Again, the market closed at the level. So there is no chance to go down from this level, and this is a strong sellers area too. So we need a confirmation. If you get a confirmation, you can place a lower option, not a higher option, because the market is at the sellers area. The market is at the sellers area means it's better to go with sellers, not with buyers, because this is a sellers area. There are more chances to go down, not to go up. So it's better to follow the more chances. Okay, very strong candle. So still the sellers are active at the area. Okay, I will show you the next puzzle here. Can you guess what is the next candle here? Okay, a sellers area, a strong sellers area. Now the market is at the sellers area. Already we are seeing a sellers entry. Mute your mics, don't talk. So already we are seeing a sellers entry, sellers rejection, and this type of strong candle is a sign of reversal. This is a sign of reversal. This is a strong sellers area. So there are more chance to go down. And if you observe this market here, this is a strong candle, and the sellers are here now. The sellers, previously the sellers are here, now the sellers are here. There is a gap. So there is a chance to go up to, and there is a chance to go down. So a Indian market, if you want to place a trade, it's better to go with sellers, but with confirmation. Without confirmation, don't place your trade at this type of situation. Okay, we are seeing a doji candlestick here. Can you guess what will be the next candle here? This pattern. This is a bullish engulfing pattern. According to your view, the next candle will be a bullish candle, right?
Yes.
But no buyers. We are seeing a doji candlestick.
Okay.
No bullish candle,
Okay.
right?
Yes, sir.
There is no bullish candle. Actually, the buyers are very strong. It made a new high, and the sellers are here. It means the buyers will enter confidently, but there is no confidence in the buyers. Yes, this is a buyer's area. Buyer's entry, buyer's entry. Again, we are seeing buyer's entry, buyer's entry, right? But this is a seller's area. This is a buyer's area, and this is a seller's area. We are seeing rejection from sellers from this level, and the closing point is at the sellers area because of these strong sellers. Again, the buyers tried. Again, they rejected because of sellers. So this is a strong candle, very strong candle. We can expect a bullish candle mostly because this is a strong candle and the sellers are here. But after this candle, the buyers are not strong. The buyers are not strong means the sellers may take advantage of this one. And this candle closing point is at the sellers area. So it may go down mostly. But take a confirmation before going to place your trade. Okay, a bearish candle, but a weak bearish candle. Okay, can you guess what will be the next candle now? Okay, is there anyone to go with sellers from this level? Yes, it tried.
Yes. Yes.
It tried, failed. a strong buyer's entry. Again, it tried, failed. A strong buyer's entry. Again, it tried, failed. A weak buyer's entry. But again, it tried. Again, a strong buyer's entry.
Okay.
Strong
Sir,
buyers are there, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So
but the
there is a chance
pressure
to
of the
break the
market.
level. Yes, there is a chance to break the level, but the candle is at the buyer's area. So it's better to place a higher option. There are more chance to reverse, right? There
Yes,
are
sir.
less chance to break
Yes, yes.
because there is a level. So until the market breaks the level, you can continuously go with buyers,
Okay, okay,
right?
okay.
So this is not a good to go with sellers at the buyer's area,
Okay,
and this is not good to go with buyers at the seller's area, right?
okay.
This is a seller's area. We can't go with buyers. If we go with buyers, there are less chance to win. If you go with sellers, it is more chance to win, right? So this is a level, a strong buyer's area. Still, we are seeing a rejection,
Okay,
and a strong candle is a sign of reversal. Still, the buyers are strong in the market, right?
okay.
So it will go up because this is a strong seller's area and this is a strong level. Still, we are seeing a rejection,
Yes, yes.
right? Still, we are seeing a rejection. The rejection is showing us the buyer's entry in the market, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, there are some buyers, still a strong buyers. Can you guess what is the next candle? So at this area, a strong sellers area. From the strong sellers area, we are seeing a rejection. The rejection is showing us the sellers are interested in the market at this area. Now the market is at the level. It's small rejection, but this is a strong sellers area. This wick showing us the sellers entry in the market. The same way here. So this is a strong sellers area. We already know this point. This is a strong sellers
Sir,
area.
quick question.
Yes.
One second. Is this candle also an indication of seller entry? The red one,
Yes.
the
Yes.
one with the long wick.
Yes.
It is, right?
Yes.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
There is a strong sellers entry, right? Very strong sellers entry in this candle. From
Yes.
this level to
So
this level.
I was just confirming. Since this is a strong area,
Yes.
is this since it's not exactly at the level or the round number?
Yes.
Is this also confirmation that this would be a red candle?
Yes. This is also a confirmation because we are seeing a breakout of this level. We are seeing a seller's entry without touching this level. It means there might be a level on the left side, but we
Right.
don't know. There might be a level because from the same level we are seeing a reversal, rejections, reversal, and here also there are some rejections. So it might be a level.
Right.
That's why we are seeing a rejections, right? Here also
Okay.
there are some rejections. So here we know this point. This is a strong sellers area. Still, the sellers are strong at the same area. Like this example, we are seeing a rejection from the same level. The rejection is showing us the sellers are still active at this area. Now the market is at the level exactly at the sellers area with rejection. So this is a strong sellers area. We already know that because at the strong sellers area, again we are seeing a strong sellers entry. Still the sellers are strong at this area. We are seeing some rejections. The rejections showing us the sellers are active at this area. The sellers are interested in the market at this area. So we can go with sellers. Even the candle is a strong candle, it's better to go with sellers because now the market is at the sellers area. The market, until the market breaks the level, we can continuously go with sellers because still the sellers are strong in the market. Okay, a seller's entry again. Okay, can you guess what is the next candle here? Okay, sellers entry, right?
Yes, sir.
The sellers are very strong, right? The sellers are very strong in the market at this area, at this trend line, and in this candle we are seeing a strong selling pressure. Still we are seeing a rejection from sellers. The candle couldn't break this level, and this is a seller's entry point. In this downtrend we are seeing sellers entry point. At the entry points we are seeing a strong sellers entry. It means sellers are still strong at this area. The sellers are strong, so they will enter at least for 1 minute, right? There is a chance to go down because of these strong sellers. There is a buying pressure and as well as selling pressure also. Okay, here there are some strong buying pressure from this level, right? And the candle closing point at the sellers area, so there is a more chance to go down again, but still there is a gap because of this buying pressure. The sellers didn't enter here. Actually the next candle will go down, but they didn't enter because of this strong buying pressure. Again there is no strong buying pressure. You can see there is a strong buying pressure, but with compared to this buying pressure, the buyers are not strong, right? Because of this level, the buyers are confident here, not here, right?
Okay.
Because this is a seller's area, that's why they didn't enter like this, right? Got it?
Okay.
So this is a seller's area, so we can't expect a strong candle or a strong buyers at the seller's area, or we can't expect a strong seller's entry at the buyer's area, because this is a buyer's area. No one can enter with sellers at the buyer's area, because we know if we enter with sellers at the buyer's area, we may lose our trade. That's why no one can enter mostly. Sometimes they will enter because they don't know some new base will enter in the market. That's why sometimes we will face a breakouts, fake breakouts. But again, the buyers will enter after breakouts. So we are seeing a sellers, still a sellers at the sellers area, because this is a entry points. Can you guess what will be the next candle? The level is not here. The level is here. This is a level. You can see. This is a level. The market is moving in this range. The market is moving in this range, and there is a chance to break out. There is a chance to break out, but already I told you, until the market breaks the level, you can continuously go with sellers, because it will take so much time before breaking the level. It will take so much time. So it's better to place a lower option at the sellers area, because this is a sellers area. The buyers are strong at this area, not here. We already know the buyers are not strong. In this candle, we already know the buyers are not strong.
Audio problem.
Right? Yeah, it's better to go. Audio problem. Just a minute. So this is a sellers area. At the sellers area, it's better to go with sellers, not with buyers. Already we know.
Audio problem again.
Yeah, already we know the buyers are not strong. Now is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think the internet connection problem. So just wait. Okay, I will show you the next candle, a bearish candle. So this is a buyer's area, this is a seller's. So until the market breaks the level, you can continuously go with buyers, you can continuously go with sellers until the market breaks the level. Okay, and I'm going to explain today class now. Okay, this is a consolidation area. You can't place your trade, right? Because the market is moving in this range. Finally, again we are seeing a bearish candle after this candle, so we can go with sellers here and the next reversal point is here. Still there is a gap and the candle also strong candle. We can go with sellers again. But here there is a round number. The market is respecting this round number. You can see here the market is respecting this round number, and here also, here also, here also. So there is a round number and this is a buyers area. We are seeing a rejection from buyers, and this one also a level, a next strong buyers entry point, right? This is a strong
Yes.
buyers area. We are seeing a rejection and the candle closing point is near to this buyers area, and there is a round number, so we can expect a reversal. If there is no chance to reverse, again we can go with sellers continuously to this level. But again it reversed. It made a new high. The new high is showing us the buying pressure in the market. Again buyer centered, again buyer centered, but again it reversed from this level because of this level, right? Because of this level it reversed. So again it reversed very strongly, but the candle closing point at the strong buyers area, there is a rejection again, and this is a sign of reversal. Again buyer centered, buyer centered. So there is no chance to reverse here, but it reversed. We don't know the reason. Sometimes it will happen like this. Even if we predict the market 100%, we will face some losses like this. You don't need to worry. Because of this buying pressure, again buyers entered, but the buyers are not strong. The buyers are at the sellers area. Again sellers entry, sellers entry. Now the market is at the buyers, and again we can go with buyers. Again a sellers entry. You can take the closing point to another closing point like this. You can draw the closing points. You don't need to draw the weak points too. Sometimes it's better to draw a weak point too, like this. Okay, like this also you can draw, but I will draw only the closing points. But we can't draw the weak points here, right? If we draw the weak points, the level will be like this.
Yes.
We can't predict, right?
Okay.
If the wick is small like this, then we can draw. If the wick is larger than like this, then we can't draw. It's better to draw your closing points. Okay, this is a round number.
Yes.
This is a round number. The market is respecting this round number, but we don't know how strong the level is, right? We don't know how strong the level is. The market reversed after breakout here. Here also it reversed. Finally, it got support from the same level. After breakout of this level, it got support from the same level. After breakout of this level, it got support from the same level, right? It got support from the round number. Again, it went down. It got support from this round number. Again, it went up, right?
Okay, sir.
Round number will ending with 0, 0, 0 like this. Example 97,
Yes, sir. Okay.
9.000 like this. These are the round.
Understand, sir.
Not all round numbers are important. If the market is respecting, we can respect that round number. Here, the market is respecting here, but we don't know how strong the level is. But if we see this market, then we can come to know the round number is very strong. So it's better to place our trade at the round numbers too, at this round number, but not here. Here we don't know how strong the level is, but here we know the strongness of the level. Now the market is respecting this round number, so we can go with buyers or sellers at this area in the future, right? Here also. So here we are seeing a strong bearish momentum, and if you wrong number, round number, ROU,
Yeah.
round. This is a round number, not wrong number. A round number. So this is a round number, and this is a buyer's area. We are seeing a buyer's entry from this level. Okay. If you see this market, the high points, if you draw these high points, to draw these low points, you can see here the market is now going up. The market is now going up. The new high is showing us the buying pressure in the market, because we are seeing after this candle we are seeing a low, again we can expect a low, but instead of low we are seeing a high. There is no low point and we are seeing a high point. Here low point, low point, low point, low point, and after this candle there is no low and we are seeing a high. So it means the new high, this is the new high. The new high is showing us the buying pressure in the market. And here also the market will make a new highs and new lows in the market like this. Suddenly it reversed, but in this candle there is no new high, there is no new low. It means this is the indecision market. Again we are seeing a new high. The new high is showing us the buying pressure in the market. So if you see any here also, there is a new low in the market. The new low is showing us the selling pressure in the market. The next candle will be a bearish candle, but this is a bullish momentum. That's why we are seeing a retracement candle. If you see any strong bullish momentum like this, then the engulfing patterns and the new lows doesn't work. If there is a engulfing candle and a new low, it doesn't work. But if there is any reversal candle like this and a new high, it will work. It doesn't work if you see a engulfing candle with new low. The new lows and new highs will work only if the candle is a weak candle like this. Sometimes it will go down. So here also it made a new low. The new low is showing us the selling pressure in the market, but the candle closing point at the buyer's area. So you should always see the closing point. You should always see on the left side at the closing point of this present candle to know the reversal point. If you know the reversal point, then you can't place a lower option after this candle. So you should know the price action on the left side every time at the closing point of this candle. The closing point of this candle is very important every time. If you know the closing point is at the seller's area, then you can go with sellers. If you don't know the closing point is where the closing point happen, then you will make a mistake like this. So you should always know the closing point and the price action on the left side from seller's entry and the resistance level. Okay, actually if the market is here, we don't know what happened in the past history. At the stopper situation, always see the raw numbers. Then you will come to know the reversal point. If the market will reject at the raw number like this, then you can know that there are some buyers and sellers interested at the market. If you get any confirmation, you can go with buyers. Get any confirmation, you can go with sellers. If there is no past history in within 1 day or within 1 day or within 2 days available, then we can see the raw number. Actually here we don't know where is the strong level, right? At this type of situation we need to see the raw number, right? There is a raw number, there is a chance to reverse. If we get any confirmation in this candle, then we can go with buyers. But after this candle we can expect a seller's entry, but instead of sellers we are seeing a buyer's entry, that is a new high. It means the buyers are strong. There is no lower rejection, means after closing of this candle there is no seller's entry. Directly we are seeing buyer's entry. The buyers made a new high. It means the buyers are very strong at this area. That's why again we are seeing a buyer's entry from this buyer's area. Okay. So if there is no level, always see the raw number and observe the raw number. If the market is rejecting from the raw number, you can expect a reversal. If the candle get any strong rejection or anything, then you can expect a reversal. Okay.
From this
I will
level.
place lower option actually. I
Okay.
will place lower option. If I lost, I will think that the sellers are not interested. There is no lower rejection. It means no sellers are interested here. It made a new high. It means the buyers are strong, and the candle closing point is at the buyers area where buyers enter. Right from this level, buyers entered. The candle closing point is at the near to this buyers enter point. So again, the buyers will enter. There are more chance to enter buyers. New high. There is a new high, but the candle closing point at the sellers area. There is a new low, right?
Yeah.
There is a new low, but because of this buying pressure, again we are seeing a retracement candle. Okay,
Okay.
because the candle is an engulfing candle. So if there is a new high, it doesn't work at the sellers area. We can take this week as a selling pressure. I will explain in this session, but I think actually I want to start today's session. I think it is 1 hour already completed. Okay, no problem. So I will explain about some important candlesticks. So if you know these candles, then you will come to know what is happening in the market, where the market will reverse and where it will continue. You will come to know with these candlesticks. So to explain this candlestick, it will take more than 1 hour. I think it's better to continue tomorrow. Okay? Today actually I wanted to explain about So I wanted to explain about the entry points. I want to give you a clarification on entry points and the strong buyers and sellers areas. If you know the strong sellers buyers area, then always place a higher option. If market come to that level, always place a higher option until you get loss in trade. If the market come to this level, always place a lower option until you get a loss in trade. It will give you a winning trade, but place with confirmation. You can see here, this is a strong buyers area. This is a seller's entry point. But the candle closing point is bit low than the seller's area. So there is a gap. So there is a chance to fill this gap because there is no rejection to. There is no rejection to the candle is strong candle and there is a gap. So there is a chance to fill this gap. Or sometimes it will reject after touching this level. It will be rejected and will close as the previous candle sometimes. So it's better to avoid. But if the candle closed like this as a bullish candle with breakout, then again you can reverse. You can place a lower option with confirmation because I already told you after breakout 2 the market will reverse. The market will reverse after breakout 2. So we can expect a reversal after breakout 2. So practice this on demo account at the entry points and the strong buyers and sellers area. Always trade like this, and if you are predicting on this screenshot, you will definitely predict on live market because in the live market you will see the fluctuation in the market in the candle. Then you will come to know the seller's entry and buyer's entry in the market. Then you can easily place your trade on the next candlestick. You practice it on demo account on this topic, the seller's area and buyer's area and seller's entry point, buyer's entry point with fake breakers. And tomorrow I will explain about some important candlesticks. After that I will continue to candlestick psychology. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, this is a level actually, but now
Yeah.
the market is reversing from this level directly, right?
Yeah.
From this level directly, and
Yeah.
this is a level actually, but the market
Yeah.
is going down like this. It is making
Yeah.
entry points, right? The sellers
Yeah.
are making their entry points. So now
Now
the
we
market
have.
is moving in between these two lines.
Yeah.
So we will go with buyers and sellers at this area. sellers, at this area buyers until the market breaks the level. Even there is a break, you will get another chance to go with sellers, right?
Okay.
After that, it may go more up
Okay, sir.
or more down. And on net, I will show you. On net. So the market is moving in between these two lines. If the candle breaks the level like this, again
Yeah.
it will reverse from this level. We can use this level at this area. We can use this level at this area. We can use this level at this area. If the market breaks the level like this, the market breaks the level like this, we can use this level as a reversal point.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'm going to close this session. If you get any doubts, any questions, contact me on Telegram.